What's going to happen to the poor mechanic out there when his Zoomlock breaks? Hey, boss, this thing broke. I don't know how to do the torch.
I wish I had my torch sitting beside me for like some kind of visual fun, like the guy lighting the torch is like upside down or something like that.
You knew I had to go there.
I was curious whether or not that was going to get into the conversation, like state of the industry. He's going to bitch about the Zoomlock or something.
Zoomlock's perfect for those VRF systems. It's actually, I'm okay with that. I just didn't want to see it drive wages down by some guy going, hey, I'm going to hire you at this price because you're just going to Zoomlock. You're not running the torch. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you. You know, it wouldn't even happen in residential anyway because there's not enough line set work to even justify that in residential. But somewhere like y'all are talking about with these huge long line sets, maybe so.
Yeah, that tool's going to have a place. I would even be surprised if it becomes mandatory on those systems.
And it seems that they've kept the price model. The pricing for the tool itself and the fittings that accompany it pretty much guarantee it's going to be not a across the board tool. It's not going to be in every single van in America, right? They've got it priced to where I can only see it being for special applications, which was what I've ever advocated for it anyway. It's not something you use for every job. It's something for jobs like you just said, VRF. It's great for that. It's great for jobs that are spec'd for no flame in the building, and they're great for certain scenarios. Like I know my brother, I lent mine out to him. I think today, it was either today or yesterday. He was doing a walk-in installation, and he had like 18 inches between the top of the box and the roof inside. It was an indoor box, and it was perfect for him to have that tool to not have to get torches up there that couldn't even stand upright. You know what I mean?
Yeah, totally.
So stuff like that.
Server rooms. That's going to be a must-have tool for server room guys.
If the Zoomlock all of a sudden tomorrow they were like, look, it's $399 now for the tool. That's when, what you were concerned about is something that I could say, yeah, maybe, maybe if all of a sudden the tool like that could be in every single van.
Everybody's going to end up with one of them Vulcan lock rings. I think in the next 10 years, we'll all be toting Vulcan lock rings or a maxi press. Some shit like that.
Well, hey, you know what though? On the, I don't know how small fittings the Zoomlock does, but with the R290 stuff, there's another application where it probably is going to find a home. With these little reach-ins and things, so it'll have its place, man. It'll have its place.
You heard it here, guys. Dave likes the Zoomlock.
He didn't say
1%
that.
of
He
the
just. I had fun with you guys when it was Zoomlock hell, dude. That was fun.
I remember that. It's man, Dave really hates the damn Zoomlock.
That was a good times.
That was pretty fun, actually. If you would like to support HVAC Shop Talk, please go to subscribestar.com/Zach-Ciota. I would love to welcome our brand new Subscribestar subscribers, Brian Duncan and Clint Glasgow. Thank you guys for the support. We couldn't do it without you.